Hello, welcome to Mate Math. Let's look at this question. So, x squared is equal to 16 to the power x. We have to find the value of x using the indices method. Okay, so first let's write our solution. So, solution. Okay. Then we repeat the question. Okay, so let's repeat it. X squared is equal to 16 to the power x. So, the next step is we subtract this one from this one. Okay, then we equate it to 0. Okay, so let's write. Okay, x squared minus 16 to the power x equal to 0. So here we are going to rewrite the 0, okay, so that we can find the value of what? X. Okay, so let's write. Okay. X squared minus 60 to the power x equal to 1 over 4 minus 1 over 4. Now 1 over 4 minus 1 over 4 is the same as the 0 here. Okay, so from here, we find the value by doing comparison. Okay, either equating this to this or this to that, or comparing this to this or this to that. Okay, so by comparison, that's right. By comparison, we are going to compare this one and this one first. Okay, so we just ignore the this negative sign, and then we equate this one to this one. Okay, so we are going to get 16 to the power x is equal to 1 over 4. Okay, that's right. Here we have to change the base of this one and also change the base of this one. Okay, so to change the base of this one is going to be 4 raised to the power 2. Then we multiply the 2 by this x, and we are going to get 4 raised to the power 2x. Then we equate it to, now this one can also be written as 4 raised to the power minus 1 because of the negative law of indices. Okay, if the law says that 1 over a can also be written as a raised to the power minus 1. Okay, so let's write. So we get 4 raised to the power 2 is equal to 4 raised to the power minus 1. Now the base of this one, the base of this one are the same. So all we have to do is to equate the exponent. Okay, so by exponential equation, by exponential equation, 2x is equal to minus 1. So that's right. 2x equal to minus 1. So here, what do? We divide both sides by 2. Okay, so let's divide. So divide both sides by 2. Here, this one will cancel this one, and then here we leave as it is. We leave it as it is. Okay, so the value of s here is going to be, x will be equal to minus 0.5, minus 0.5. So from the first comparison, we had x equal to minus 0.5. Okay, so now let's look at the next comparison. Okay, so or now let's write it. X squared is equal to 1 over 4. 1 over 4. So x squared is equal to 1 over 4. Okay, here, because we are using the indices method, we are not going to square both sides. Okay, so we are just going to rewrite this one to have the power of 4 to 2. Okay, and that is going to be minus 1 over 2 times minus 1 over 2. And that will give us minus 1 over 2 all squared. Okay, so let's write. X squared is equal to minus 1 over 2 all squared. Now, since the powers are the same, we just equate the base. So x to be equated to 1 over 2 is the same as minus 0.5. Okay, so by exponential equation, and then x is equal to, that's right, x equal to minus 0.5. Okay, so the value of x from the second comparison is also minus 0.5. This, which means that the value of s from the original equation is what? Minus 0.5. But let's find out if it's true. Okay, so let's prove our solution. Okay, so proof. Okay. let's repeat the equation. X squared is equal to 16 to the power x, and then we are going to put x is equal to minus 0.5 here, and then also got here. So we put, okay, so we put this one here, and this one also here. Okay, so let's put it. So when you put, you're going to get minus 0.5 all squared is equal to 16 to the power minus 0.5. Okay, so when we compute this, we are going to get um, minus 0.25 is equal to 2 to the power 4 multiplied by minus 0.5. Now, this power and this power, because they are on the same position, they are going to multiply. So we're going to be 4 times minus 0.5. Okay, so just maintain this one or repeat it. So it's going to be minus 0.25 is equal to, now we multiply this one. So when you multiply this one, what are you going to get? You're going to get minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. Okay, so we just repeat this one again. Minus 0.25 is equal to minus 2. That is 2 raised to the power minus 2. 2 raised to the power minus 2. Okay, now because of the negative law of indices, this 2 raised to the power minus 2 can also be written as 1 over 4. 1 over 4. Okay, so we repeat this one again. Here, 0.25 is equal to 1 over 4. What do we do? Just convert this one to decimals, okay? So that this side and this side will be the same, okay? So we maintain this one and then we convert this one. So we're going to 0.25 is equal to 1 over 4 in decimals is also 0.25, okay? 0.25. Now, both right and left hand sides are the same, which means that the value of x is minus 0.5 because after plugging in this minus 0.5 into the equation, we had both sides to be the same. Okay? Okay, that's it. Please, if you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.